I gotta go to work. Let's unbox some shit. So, it's a really good tripod. It's very sturdy. It was like $45, so it better hold up. So yeah, that's unbox number one. It's good for DSLRs, which this camera is. So yeah, so that's in box number one. I got the 64 gigabyte Samsung. So yeah, so it allows me to shoot at the highest quality I can on this camera. I got the VideoMic Go Rode microphone, so it just goes right on the top of my Nikon camera. It's great for audio. Hopefully make my videos a lot better. So what we have in total here, we have the tripod, we have the SIM card, SD card, and then we have the microphone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it all together and I'll talk to you when it's all done. There is the microphone, here's the tripod. It's a pretty dandy setup here. I think we're going to try to use it. Let's call somebody. Who else is in the neighborhood?
Your call has been forwarded. Hello?
Molly.
What's good?
What are you doing?
Mothman, what?
Where are you? So, I got my vlogging set up. So, we're going to Market 32. I'm going to bring the camera along with me, see how the video is and everything. It looks good so far, so... Strange abyss out here. What the hell? Bye, house. See you in a few minutes. Turn the light off.
Don't zoom in!
Hey Molly, what do you got to say to Murray's vlog?
I don't know.
You support the vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a good thing.
Yeah. Let's go to Market 32.
Market 32. We're gonna do a tour in Market 32.
Yes. Where are we right now?
We're in Market 32.
What are we doing? I'm gonna go vlog in Market 32, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Going into Market 32. I split the pole? What pole?
You're a pole.
You're a pole. Let's go get that. Yo, look at it's Molly, bro. Let's go. It's just all part of the vlog. Yeah, we gotta find that aisle though. Molly, Snapchat. Yo, Murray on YouTube. Look him up. The vlog is real. It's so expensive, but it's so worth it. Look at this. Alright, let's go. What are you doing?
How do you zoom in?
With the lens, like this. Like that. Other way. There you go. Dude, don't zoom in. I know you're gonna zoom in on my face. Chill. This is $4.90. Yo. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. We're going to self-checkout. Hello.
Welcome to Market 32.
Thank you. I feel welcome.
Please place the item in the bag.
Okay.
Please remove your bag and take your receipt.
Thank you for
Thank you for
shopping
shopping
at
at
Market
Market
32.
It was 6.
I got coconut water. Where the hell is your car?
Over there.
Way over there?
For me is the 25th.
Yeah, well, you don't need it. Cigarettes are bad for you, and so is moaning in public like that. Oh, let's go to Walmart.
I'm down.
Batman, bro.
Hi, my name is Barbie. I'm made of prosthetic materials.